In this video, we will demonstrate how to create an e-test using Smart Test by converting immediately any type of word process document into online tests. Press the green button first, then write the questions and choices below. Write the numbers of the correct answers after the sentence and make sure not to erase it. Press Convert. Then, download the PDF file of your test by pressing Download. Go to List, and your test will be at the top of the list. Select the time of your test, then press Web On, and your test is ready to share.